Okay, so there's a new edition of Nothing Ear 2 called the Black Edition. It's the same as the white edition but with a black color. The earbuds and the case both are black, but they are still transparent in looks. The black edition has the same features as the white edition, such as LED light, USB Type-C port and pairing button. The earbuds too have splash resistance and some dust resistance too. And they also have these pinch controls. They can also be paired with Android phone and PCs using Google's fast pair support. And at the same time, you guys can connect them with two different devices. The design of the black edition is the same as the white edition, but everything is in black, including the earbuds and the case. The transparent look is still there. The earbuds and the case have a matte finish and the case has a nice light black shade. The top portion of the case has a protector to prevent scratches, but it's made up of the same material as the white edition and can still get scratches. Talking about the MRP of the black edition, so on the box it's 12,999. However, with bank discounts and other offers, you can get it around 10,000 rupees. In the box, you will find some paper including a safety manual, user guide. There's also a barcode that you can scan to download the Nothing X application. The box contains the black earbud, the black case along with few ear tips and a braided cable. Although it's strange that the cable is in white color wherein everything is in black. The specifications of the black edition are the same as the white edition. They offer up to 40 dB of active noise cancellation and have an 11.6 mm custom drivers for powerful bass and clear sound. Each bud has 3 microphone support and also pinch control for easy usage. You can play and pause music, end calls, skip song with different pinches. To switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, you need to press and hold either of the bud. I like the sound effects when you switch between different modes. Like if transparency mode gets enabled, you'll hear a sound like someone came near to your ear and exhaled. It feels so good. The Bluetooth range is pretty good and there are no connectivity issues. And as said previously, you can connect two different devices simultaneously if needed. The earbuds are very comfortable to wear and silicone tips fit pretty well. They are similar to OnePlus Buds 2 Pro which I have. I have used OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Both have similar fitting. I use Nothing earbud for gaming continuously 4 to 5 hours daily and I did not see any discomfort. Talking about the gaming experience, so there's nothing difference between black edition and the white edition. Both of them doesn't have the gaming mode, dedicated gaming mode, but it has a low lag mode that minimizes latency for a better gaming experience. Though the bass is on the higher side, but some details like individual footsteps in games like Battlegrounds Mobile India may not be as clear as in other buds. Overall, the gaming experience is good with no delays or latency issues. The battery life on Ear 2 is good. With ANC enabled, it provides around 4 to 5 hours of usage. I tested with gaming for 4 to 5 hours and the battery percentage always below 15% when I finish my gaming. And the sound quality of both the buds you consider black or white because they do have the same specification. And here when it comes to sound quality, we will see a noticeable improvement compared to the previous one which was Ear 1. The bass is well balanced and the treble tones have also been enhanced. Though there is still room for further improvement, overall the sound signature is pleasant and I thoroughly enjoyed listening to music with these earbuds. As I said, bass is on higher side. I basically listen to Punjabi music and it makes me feel really good with those heavy beats. The audio on the Ear 2 feels vibrant and dynamic, with the maximum volume being on higher as well. However, it is worth noting that at higher volumes there is slight increase in sound leakage, but fortunately there is no distortion present. And talking about the app features, so we basically have everything similar what we have seen with the previous buds. I mean the white edition. You can control all your actions like double pinch, triple pin. You can customize them as per your requirement. Nothing also gives you an option to personalize your ANC, and according to the environmental condition, ANC gets automatically adjusted. And these new earbuds comes with a feature which will be added on the white edition and ear stick, that's layered to the equalizer. So basically you can see we have simple equalizer options available with things like balance, more treble, voice, more bass, etc. But now along with this black edition, we do have an advanced equalizer which is a new feature added to Ear 2. If you guys haven't received, just check for the Ear 2 update. There should be an OTA update available for your earbuds. Basically this feature provides a user-friendly graphical interface for an 8-band equalizer which lets you adjust the sound in various frequency range. and you can see the real changes before even applying them. It also gives you in control over Q factor and frequency to enhance your experience further. And another great thing is you can also share your presets with your friend, and if your friend have any presets, you can also import from him. Pretty good feature what they have added. So guys, this was a quick review of Nothing Ear 2, which was sent by Nothing as a review unit to us. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice